Okay, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I hope you saw yesterday's video. We started to finally talk about what's going to happen with the Ferraris. I'm looking at them now. I think we're just going to have to strip them clean, start from scratch. I saw the comments about the dry erase marker, try nail polish remover, and it's not going to be worth it. I'd rather just strip them clean. I've been talking about painting a Hot Wheel for a couple weeks now, and it's time. What better cars to restore or customize than the Ferraris? A company that we do not often talk about because we really don't see them in our main chain of stores, Target, the Walmart, is Mini GT. They make some of the most amazing diecast I've ever seen. It's absolutely one of my favorite companies. And if you saw the video where we went to the Toy Expo, you know we saw a bunch of these box chase Mini GT Kaido house, beautiful cars, a Silverado. I have some sealed. These are from myguycollectibles.com. Yes, so many amazing Mini GT items. And what's great is he offers a coupon code where every single item is 10% off using my code, TheFLORIDAMan, all one word, at checkout. So we've opened this one before, and it's a wonderful, wonderful diecast. If you're new to the channel, I'll be happy to show you. We even showed this in our Whatnot show recently. Really cool wagon. It's called like the Cherry Blossom wagon or something, and it is pink. Of course, they do have a raw. We have a second one right here that I've never opened, and I really want to find out if we got a chase. It is possible. Anything can happen. My Guy Collectibles is a really cool seller, and you just never know. You never know what he's going to send out. So let's see what we got. After we open these boxes, I'm going to show you some other very cool Mini GT items that have their own little box, as you can see underneath the card there, but the car is above it. So we opened one of these in the Whatnot show because somebody wanted to buy it, and to verify it wasn't a chase, we really had no choice. So here we go. Let's crack some Mini GT cars. It's pretty common for resellers to do this anyway with Mini GT because, you know, you have to see. You want to know, do you have a chase or not? So I don't really know if opening them affects the value, where if you didn't open it and somebody got it and they got a chase for cost, well, shout out to them, but not so good for you. So here we go. The green S101, which I don't understand. The rest of them are numbered 16, 17, 12. And why is that S101? I have no idea. Oh, wait, there's a little sticker right here. So yeah, let's crack some Mini GT stuff, dudes. I am excited. It's possible they're all main lines. I mean, who knows? We won't know. Ooh, look at that beautiful license. It's a wonderful product. Somebody said don't call them mainlines in the comments, but we're just basically referring to the car being a chase or not. It's just an easy way to reference a non-chase. So here it is, really cool green. We did not get a chase out of these. There was two of these, and there you go. What's crazy is how will we know if that's a chase, right? Like the silver one. How are we going to know if that's raw or silver without having a second one to compare it to? So again, I'll tell you now, these are not for kids. Be very careful. I was just holding this by the wing like an idiot because it's very easy to break these small parts off. Again, with the rainbow base, fat slicks, skinnies up front. Really cool diecast. Let's check under the hood. Yeah, there she is. What even is that? Oh, so it says Gretty. That's pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe an SR20 or something. I only see 4 spark plug wires. All right, I want to save the pink wagon for last, of course. So let's move on to number 17, the Pro Street 510. What will we get? Come on out of there, you. Okay, here we go. Will it be raw? Will it be green? You guys can see first. What is it? Is it green? I think so. Or gray. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. The Boost Brigade. So it's just a much more simple Greddy livery Pro Street Datsun. Probably the same motor. Yeah, same exact motor that we saw in S101, whatever S101 means. So no chase for the TheFLORIDAMan on that one. All right, next up is number 16, the 510 Pro Street, designed by June and my metal body chassis, alloy wheels, opening hood. And here we go. Let's cut her open. I'm going to cut through the seal and the plastic with one swipe of the knife. Hello? Oh, now we got to start in the middle because I did that. Okay. Super awesome, dude. All right. What's going to happen? I'll let you guys see it first. Is it silver or silver? Ha 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 ha. Oh, wait. It's not silver at all. It's white. Wow. That's pretty cool. Pearl White 510. She's a beaut. The quality control is incredible. I've yet to see a Kaido house or mini GT item come out of the box damaged. And even the ones in the card, we can look very closely. We will see they are free of defects. They have incredible quality control. Wow, look, there's just little Phillips head screws there. Is that how they all were? You could easily just take these right apart. That's pretty cool. Okay, we've got one more sealed mini GT to check whether it is a chase or not. So let's cut the long ends first, I guess, right? We'll just go right around, just like so. Hello? Okay, well, we'll go this way now. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's keep it moving. One more side to go. This is our last sealed box mini GT that I have. Oh, it even says ages 14 and up, collector's model. Collector's model, not suitable for children under 14 years. And what is it? Is it pink or is it raw? Oh, it's pink. Oh, well, no big deal. Oh, good. Let's have a nice look at this beautiful bad boy. So I will have these available in the Whatnot shops. After seeing them here on today's video, please take a look in the Whatnot store. And of course, that link is in the description of every video. Don't forget, using my link to make your profile, you'll get a free $15 to use in any Whatnot show, store, auction, whatever. This thing is great, man. It has bigger tires in the back with a bigger tire up front than we're seeing on the Pro Street cars, and it has a really cool over fender. This is definitely one of my favorite mini GTs. I'm going to show you my first one I ever got. And there it is, the wonderful Pro Street 510 in orange. I don't know what the deal with the numbers are. Like, is it number 69, number 39? I've never been able to figure that out. My friend Adam got this in a raffle from Instagram, and he gave it to me. He traveled to Florida with his family, I think about 2-3 years ago, and he handed me this to have as a pocket whip, right? He's like, yo, if the TheFLORIDAMan is going to have a pocket whip, it's going to be something amazing. And I love it. The orange is great. Nice wing. Nice big wang on there. Real big wang coming off the back. You see that? That's for aerodynamics. Bigger the wang, the better your aerodynamics are. All right, I'm pretty sure that is every single mini GT item I own. Of course, something could pop up at any point. You never know around the compound, right? You'll open a box and then boom, there's something I didn't know I had. So we do have a really cool Honda S2000 CR. I'm not sure what the CR stands for, in Apex Blue. One of only 1,200 cars, dude. Super limited, and I love it. Number 554. So they do have numbers on the carded ones indicating which ones they are. I don't have any idea what they mean. Here is a really cool Sylvia Rocket Bunny Red. These two cars I purchased from Grizzly CNC on Whatnot Collectibles. Incredible seller, arrived quick, really nice packaging. Love the Pandem Rocket Bunny body kit. We're always talking about Liberty Walk body kits, but Pandem is also another great company. Rocket Bunny. Pandem. I think that that Rocket Bunny and the Pandem are all connected somehow. Really good details, of course. Again, one of my favorite diecast items ever is Mini GT. Here's a really cool R35, and it's a GTRR, so it's a real Liberty Walk race car. Love the color. Wish they did a little nicer wheel. What's interesting is they all kind of have a different wing. So Miho exclusives, one of 4,200, limited, one of 3,600 here on the bottom. I guess it's a mix of like silver and pink, that paint, where this one's all pink. You know, I love my diecast in pink. As you can see, they have a different rear end. So there you go. The wing is a little different on that one than it is on that one. All right, if you missed yesterday's video, here they are. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Ferraris. One is plastic. I'm told that this was an ultra hot Ferrari, and I don't know if that one is too, but based on the wheels, it's an old ultra hot Ferrari. I mean, that's what the comments said. I'm really glad I didn't do anything to this one. We'll leave it original, other than a couple of wear marks from playing with it and having it as a kid. I think we'll leave this one original because I still have this one that we can strip. I still have this one we could strip. And of course, the 308s we got to do, the wheels are just fallen off. I don't know if the axle stretched. I don't know what happened there, but some of them will definitely need a wheel swap. I'm hoping we can do something with the Porsche. The Countach never left the factory with a wing, so if I can grind those down and fill that in, I would restore this car to be factory, because they never left the factory with a wing. They were all installed at the dealerships, every single Countach with a wing. If you like some of the Mini GT items that you saw today, please check out My Guy Collectibles, as well as Grizzly CNC on Whatnot. You can use my code, TheFLORIDAMan, to get 10% off any Mini GT item from MyGuyCollectibles.com. Tell them the Florida Man sent you in the notes. Well, you don't have to do that, but if you did, that'd be cool. You can definitely use the coupon code and get 10% off. That's how I got the items on the table, with the exception of the 2 cars from Grizzly. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you so much for watching today's video, my people. I really appreciate all of you, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.